This is how you use AI to create your dream bedroom. So I'm gonna head to Arcadium3D.com and I'm gonna use their AI images software to create my dream bedroom. They have a lot of cool options. You could do 3D design, which is kind of like Minecraft for adults. You get to place your own things, build walls, all this cool stuff. That'll be a video for another time. They also have an option where you can create your own floor plan. But for this video, we're gonna focus on the AI images section, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to let AI make your dream bedroom for you. So we're gonna go ahead and click AI images here. As you can see, I already have a couple designs made on this account, but we're gonna look at the left side of the screen over here. The first thing over here is add your own main layout image. This will help AI know what kind of layout and structure you want the room to use. You don't need to upload an image for this. You could just go down here and do the prompt. I personally always add a main layout image. This could be an image from the 3D design section in Arcadium. This could be from Pinterest. This could be as simple as searching a bedroom on Google, but you don't need to do it if you don't have an exact image in mind. For the purpose of this video though, I am going to upload an image to this section. So we're gonna go to add main layout image. I already have an image saved on my desktop, so I'm gonna go that route. But like I said, you can upload something you created in Arcadium. You can use an image that's already on your account, but I'm gonna go through one on my actual computer. And I just have a very simple black and white image I found. Arcadium's AI software is super advanced, so it doesn't need to be anything over the top. Don't stress yourself out about this part. So I'm gonna use that as my reference image. Another very cool feature, it gives you preloaded themes that you can change from. So you just click this section here, it'll give you a whole bunch of different things. I am creating my dream bedroom, so I'm gonna go to the bedroom tab. But as you can see, they have bathroom, living room, garden, house exterior. Everything you could want is in this software. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna go bedroom. They have a lot of different options on here. You can go a darker theme like this one here. You could do a lighter theme like this one up here. Some of these have more of an artsy vibe. This is honestly the hardest part, figuring exactly the theme you want. That's how easy this whole process is. I kind of like this darker theme one, especially for a bedroom. I want my bedroom to invoke sleepiness. So I'm gonna go for this darker one in the middle here, but you could choose whatever you want. I will get into including objects and materials later. Prompt, if you want something super specific, you don't even need to put anything there. So then you'll go down here to generate image. You could do 1, 2, 3, 4. I like having multiple options, so I always do 4, but whatever you prefer, you could choose that number. So we're gonna generate 4 images with our main layout image uploaded, and I selected the style I wanna go for. We're gonna see what it comes up with here. Usually doesn't take long, about 30 seconds it'll get it done here. You can already see they're uploaded. Oh, these are already looking pretty good. I love the color orange. I love orange, so I'm already leaning towards this third one here, but I also like the orange curtains and wooden floor here. I don't know. See, this is why I like doing multiple images. It just gets better ideas in your head, things you wouldn't even have thought of. Okay, so here are the 4 images it generated. I'm leaning towards these middle two because I love the color orange, but let's go ahead and select this one here with the orange floor. So if you like what you got, this could be your finished product and you could be done there. But one of the coolest features about this platform, it gives you this image and you can take this image here and put it into your next AI generation. So now the main layout image is going to be one of the pictures it just generated for me. Some other cool features, say I just want one thing changed, there's a certain thing I don't like. Let's just go with the orange floor, for example. Can you change the orange floor to a brighter wooden plank floor? It just has to be as super simple as that. I'm gonna switch it to 2 now. I'm gonna generate 2 more images with this prompt and we'll see what it comes up with. So there you go. If that's something you would like, I kind of like the idea of the unfinished wood there. No more orange floor, everything else stayed pretty much the same. So then we can take this new image we generated, and I'm not the biggest fan of the light at the top. It kind of looks like a Squid Games type of lamp. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna click AI edit. That's gonna put that image again in my main layout image, and I'm gonna change the prompt. Can you make the light at the top a nice glass chandelier? I don't know if I spelled chandelier right. You don't need to know how to spell chandelier to make your dream bedroom using AI. I'm gonna generate 2 more images. There we go, 2 images generated, and it even gave us an option for the original one with the orange floor and the one with the wooden plank floor that I think I like better. Beautiful chandelier at the top. That's a pretty nice looking bedroom. If there's anything else you want changed, you just keep going through that same process. Hit AI edit, tell the software what you want changed, and it'll make those changes very quickly for you. Now say you found an image of a bedroom you liked on Google or Pinterest or something like that. It's the same exact process. It's super easy. So we will go to Pinterest. You know Pinterest has a ton of options. Google will have have a ton of options, so you just gotta find one here you like. This is a pretty cool one. I like the orange backlight behind it, so I'm gonna save this image. So we got that saved. We're gonna go back to Arcadium, add a main layout image, upload image, take the one you found from Pinterest, and we're gonna see what it comes up with based on that. And say I wanted to add like a little bit of a different style to it, just give it more of like a nice modern look. We're gonna take this one here, generate the images again. Like, these are really cool. This first one right off the bat, that's awesome. The brick wall behind it. So now you got a whole page of all these cool bedroom ideas you would want. Now, what if I wanted a specific object or chair or table or something added into that bedroom so I could see what it would look like? Well, I'm glad I asked. So say I wanted to add in one of these old gaming chairs that everybody used to have back in the day. I'm gonna find an image of it online, and we're gonna add a specific object, upload this image, add this in somewhere near the bed in a natural position. We're gonna generate the image, probably only 2 of them this time, and we're gonna see that get added into the room. There you go. You can take this one for here. It added it right at the bottom. That looks perfect, which now that I see this, I need to get one of those chairs because I have not sat in one of those in probably like 20 years. I haven't even seen those in like 15 years. But those chairs were top of the line back in the day. Another cool feature I want to show you, say you don't like the solid gray curtains or something in the background there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload another image with a design I found that I like. I'm gonna add that there, change the pattern of the window curtains to have this design. So we're gonna hit done, generate an image. It's gonna create 2 more for us. Okay, those curtains are actually super tough. I love the orange and blue combo with this. You know, I was kind of going through this fast just to show all the cool features. This might actually be my dream bedroom. That is how easy it is to use AI on Arcadium 3D to create your own bedroom. I do want to show one more thing. This is one of my favorite features of this software. You can see what this room would look like in just about any theme or aesthetic or any world you want to put it in. So for example, if I take one of these ones I created a couple weeks ago, I'm gonna click the image, hit AI edit. It is now my main layout image, and I want to see what this would look like if it was in an anime. What would this room look like if it was in an anime? Generate image. I love doing this. Is super exciting. I love doing these. It's like when you were playing Minecraft and all those texture packs came out and you could see what like the house you had or the city you made looked like with like a medieval texture pack or something. I'm telling you, this Arcadium AI software has everything. Like, look how cool this is. This is what the room would look like in an anime. That is awesome. All you have to be able to do is this. Click your mouse and it does just about everything for you. I kind of want to see what this one would look like in an anime because this is my favorite one I've made. This one's gonna be tough, I know it. Ew, that's fire. It keeps all the original details. That's so cool. That is incredible. You know what? Let's just go one more example. Let's take another one I made, put that in AI edit. This is how easy it is, guys. Can I see what this looks like as a painting from hundreds of years ago? I don't know, that's just what came to my head. Let's see what it would look like. And look, now you just have a collection of all these potential room inspiration ideas that'll just stay on your account and you can access whenever you want to see them. Like, look at this. That's awesome. It's like Vincent van Gogh designed your bedroom for you. That's so cool. And we can do one more. Can you show this in a more minimalistic setting? Last one. I just like trying random ideas, random themes just to see what it would look like. It's fun to me in my head. So yeah, it'll give you more options, toned down a little bit. You can type in anything in that prop section and it'll do exactly what you want it to. Visit Arcadium 3D, create your free account, and start designing your dream bedroom.